is Christmas Eve afternoon, and we have gotten the first present of Christmas!
Open! Open!
Open!
Open! Open!
What is it? Erica, what is it? Train!
Excited?
Train!
The Polar Express.
Yeah, music.
I want a train.
You got a train. You think, Boo Boo? What do you think? What is it? What is it?
Go get it.
Oh, she's nervous. What do you think? It is Christmas Eve. Michael just joined our family and we are going to feast. I made lots of food. We got a ham here, got corn casserole on the table, some asparagus, some potatoes. We are ready for a yummy Christmas meal before service tonight.
Put your sweater on.
Yummy. Poppin' bubbly. Yay! Merry Christmas!
Ooh.
Erica, you got jammies?
Premium Haze t-shirt. What? We all get some?
Everyone gets a white
Some premium white Hanes!
Sweet. It's a 6-pack, so we each get 2.
This one is to Mom from Merry Christmas.
Thanks, Merry Christmas.
Thanks, Merry Christmas.
This one is in a bag.
Thanks,
It is
bag.
To Dad from Merry Christmas.
Ooh, I just get to wear pants. Woo!
That's what your
That's
premium
to
Hanes is for.
McKenna From Merry Christmas.
Oh, okay.
Nice catch.
Nice throw.
Dad, stop.
Dad, dance!
Dad, do it.
We are back from Christmas Eve service, and we've got matching pajamas!
Sit down. Sit down.
The first present of Christmas!
After the train.
After the train.
Is this gonna work? Or
Do you think we have enough?
Turn.
Oh, it's kind of calm.
Oh, we're trying to take another picture?
Yeah.
Oh no.
No, get
Here
out.
we go.
Hey, somebody.
The master of Christmas picks.
Oh, it's another one to me. I can't.
Too many presents for Luke.
Close that gate so it doesn't go down.
This better be for Erica. Alright.
Box!
How many jokes are we in here about?
You're not as destructive as you need to be.
I don't like regular paper.
Save it.
She's going against it.
It's fuzzy things.
No, but it's...
Ooh, I like this.
Oh, Michael.
Good.
Right, my turn.
They're nice.
Ooh, the fire got roaring.
Boo Boo, you go open your present. Boo Boo, Luke's got a present for you. Boo Boo. Look at your present. What is it?
How many shirts were there?
Shirts for me? 3.
What is it, Betty?
I'm not making her wear your stuff.
Oh my god, no. No. That's not a good present. Oh my god, that's not gonna fit her.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
He's so embarrassed.
She's a good sport. As you force her.
Squish her.
Oh,
Oh my god, I love your shirt.
oh. A poor dog.
It's nice.
You're so mean.
It's Belle's nightmare.
Oh,
I mean,
poor
Rudolph's
baby.
nightmare.
Oh.
Oh my god.
You're so mean.
It's Rudolph.
Billy. Bill. She looks so sad. She is so sad.
Ooh, Nike box.
That's always promising.
Oh, I love them. Yeah, no, I
Good
do.
job.
He
Those
said
are
that he
sick.
liked them in the store when we were there before.
That is true.
This is to Mikey and Kenna vlogs from Mom and Dad.
To my cute kid of vlogs.
Oh gosh, yours.
Luke, can you take the phone?
Oh, I can.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Thumbnail.
This is how the vlog would be like from me. I know I'm such a better camera person than that.
Nice.
Oh, we gotta both open it. I'm pulling it out, whatever it is.
There's some lotion.
Oh! So you gotta zoom up on that lotion.
in the vlog.
It's the same scent as the candle that Shayla got me. That's awesome.
Cloves.
That's McKenna.
Do you like it?
Because it's musky. And the
You like
there
that?
should be another one in there. No? Oh, sorry.
We have another present to Mikey and Kenna vlogs from Mother and Father.
This is my kind of
Oh man.
Oh,
look at the
wave.
Show me, show me.
Michael's favorite candle smell.
Michael,
He
show me the
likes
label.
smell of
Show me the
waves.
label.
It does smell good.
I just gotta put that together.
I just got it too.
All right, pose again.
Together.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It is Christmas morning and I made some breakfast and then we are headed to my Grandma Kruger's house to celebrate this morning.
Should be fun.
Good morning! Merry Christmas, Belle! Oh, stretches! Merry Christmas, Jingle Bell! Oh.
Christmas treat?
Do you want a treat? Slowly.
Paw. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Thank you. Give me your nose. That you missed. Hey, give me your nose.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Here we got our breakfast spread. Got a nice bake with eggs and sausage and biscuits and some fresh fruit. Yummy.
Can we eat now?
Yes, you can eat. Good morning. Merry Christmas.
Oh, it's Christmas.
What happened outside? Did you see?
It snowed.
It snowed. Just a little dusting of snow. What are we doing?
We are celebrating Christmas
Merry Christmas!
with Kenna's grandma. There
In the
she
kitchen.
is, preparing an awesome spread. We're about to dig in, eat some delicious food.
And then we'll do White Elephant.
White Elephant. I think they got some other presents here. It's gonna be
yeah.
a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
I'm gonna eat my body weight in pickles.
Michael?
I've been to Mayville, but I don't think I've been to your house before.
Oh, okay.
He's
No, we haven't
been-
to my house.
Yeah, you went to Grandma and Grandpa Pew's old house.
Oh, he was there. Okay. Hi, sweetie. Are you hungry?
Monster!
There's a lot
Cookie
of-
monster!
You must use your head to grab a gift that has some red. If it doesn't suit you to a T, you may swap with 2 or 3.
You get a choice.
You didn't use your head.
2 and 3 are
2 and 3 are both our gifts, so I'm gonna keep it.
Oh,
You
okay.
may- yeah, you don't have to. Okay.
5. Jump into 5. Don't drag your feet. Take your gift back to your seat. Wonder of wonders, it's yours for a spell, but what comes next you can never tell.
Okay, Miss Bye.
Michael.
Oh, Michael, which one are you gonna get?
I think it might have been there.
If they want to.
This one sounds broken.
Just set it down.
Maybe Carol wants
What
it
did
back.
she get?
might like that one, I think.
She might.
Open! You can do it!
Yeah, big lazy hunter. Come on.
Open!
Okay. It's completely in there.
Couldn't even do it. Snickers! For people just cleaning out their pantries. So anticlimactic.
It's gonna jump out.
It's a cat.
A mug.
Alright.
Animal
Ooh.
house.
Right.
Ooh.